This is a 3D wire drawing machine for jewelry, gold, and silver wire. This 3D wire drawing machine is made up of 4 3MF files. And once you print the files out, you'll be able to assemble this machine. First part of the machine, which is the base that holds the die plate, as you'll notice that it's up on a little bit of angle. Once you put it in and pop it down, it locks in place. The tongs go right up to the wire, and that is where you want it to be. You don't want to lose any space when drawing your wire. Now, the next file is for the triangle. The triangle is connector to the tongs, and that'll pull the tongs down as it's connected to the trailer winch. And you notice that 2 triangles on the sides, and they have 2.5 millimeter hex screws that go into the piece. It fits like a puzzle. As you notice, when you move a little further down, I will show you that by taking this, pushing it down, putting screws in, that's how it comes apart and comes together. Now, the advantage of this machine is that not only is it lightweight, about 1,100 grams in filament, it's also portable. And one of the things about the portability is that you could take it traveling, you could put it indoors, you could put it outdoors, you can do shows with it, many different things. That's the advantage and the feature of this machine, because not only are you making money, but you're saving money. Because whenever you need to make your wire, you just go to make it. It comes apart, so you can take it apart in foot sections, store it easy in a closet, store it underneath the bed, store it in the corner. You don't have to have this big machine. Most other machines we have seen weighs about 60, 80 pounds. This machine with the winch probably weighs about 7 pounds. So there's many key advantages to this machine. Now I'll show you some of the closer features of it. As we said, this is the winch part at the end. As you notice, there's 3 spots there for your bolts and washers, and this part all connects together. This is the part for the base. This is where the die base goes in. As I showed you earlier, it has a locking system. Always make sure you lock it, press it in and lock it, and when you're done, you slide it out. Now, what are the sizes? And this is the winch. See how you have the winch here, and you move it, and it has connections with the bolts bolted from underneath. You push the bolt up and bolt on top. Now, what are the sizes of this machine? Well, a standard trailer winch is about 19 feet, the strap. So you can make up to 19 feet with this machine. If you get a trailer winch that's longer, they probably do build them. You could do it 30 feet, 50 feet, 75 feet. It's almost endless if you have the lengths of the strap. You know, make sure that you bolt them down. And I also would recommend wearing safety glasses, because this is a tabletop machine. Now, this is the newest machine as far as the new generation, as far as we know, because this is built on the 4 3MF files. Once you purchase the 4 3MF files, you can build endless machines from these files. So, you know, it's a win-win, because this is, for the price, we don't know exactly where you buy your filament, but I think your filament could cost about $25 to $30 for this machine, because it's 1,100 grams, 1,200 grams. You have to supply your tongs, which the hook you don't have to, because you're printing it, and it fits into pretty much of a standard tongs, and the die plate, which is pretty much standard. We bought a standard one. So in looking at it, there are so many advantages to this machine for you. It's almost endless, depending on what you kind of decide what you want to, you know, where you want to make it, where you want to take it, where you want to do it. Now, contact us through our email, because we have other products that we're going to be showing very soon. So just, join us, and we'll talk to you soon. And I hope you get this, and I hope you make a lot of money and get into the next generation of machinery. Thank you.